Good day. This is a video to introduce a converter for this pen, Kayou Evangelion gel pen. So this pen uses a gel ink, which is good most of the time, but in some document you will be required to use ballpoint, which has oil-based ink. It will be water resistant and it will require you to press into the paper, which if you use carbon copy paper, it will transfer your writing down to the next paper as well. So uh, this is good ink, but sometimes it is not appropriate for the document that you might have to sign. And this is the ballpoint refill. It is quite cheap. It is basically a aluminum tube. Let's see here, 10 centimeter and 3 millimeters. Yeah, 10 centimeters and 3 millimeters. So this is the converter. This video will be attached to the printable page for this model. To print this, simply place this flat side on the bed. You print like this. Don't worry about the hole. The hole is I made it to be a poly hole, which is hexagon, and the droop from the top should not interfere with the clearance between the printed part and the refill. So first you remove the uh, twisting cap from the refill, press it into the converter. If everything goes right, the size should be comparable, and then you can put it in to your gel pen, screw tight, and it should work without issue. But there is also another kind of ink that I have lying around, which is this one. I'm not sure where it come from. Maybe it come from my Parker ballpoint pen, or I'm not sure. But if you have this one, you will have an option to use this washer. This washer should not be used alongside this one. This washer is specifically for this kind of refill. If you compare these two kind of refill, you see that the size is comparable except for this part right here. This neck of the refill will prevent the mechanism of the pen to lock the refill into a position. So if you use this kind of refill, you need a spacer to extend the tip of the pen a little bit. So if you use this kind of refill, put it in, and you put the washer into the grip of the pen, and then you put it in, squeeze shut, screw shut, and when you click it, it will lock into place, and you can use it like normal. So this is the choice that I make for the model today. Use the one that you need. for your review. Thank you for watching.